cave in front of us. Now we are going around cages of the animals. These are stags and those are deer. Bears and wolves are near me. Here are birds of many colors. How beautiful the peacock looks. The lions and the tigers are in the cages. There are many kinds of snakes. Monkeys are jumping and playing in their big cages. There is a big elephant. We ride on it. There are different beautiful birds in the zoo. We are very happy to see the zoo. It is a good place to visit. I like it very much. I enjoy the visit to the zoo very much.